Making a woman think of you isn't about using cheap tricks or cheesy pickup lines. It's about showing her that you're a thoughtful, caring person who values her as a person. In this video, we'll explore some tips on how to make a woman think of you in a positive way. Whether you're looking to start a new relationship or strengthen an existing one, these tips can help you create a connection that she won't be able to forget. Before we begin, if you are new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos. Make sure hit subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Now let's start. Number 1. Pay attention to the little things. When we want to make a good impression, we tend to focus on the big picture, the grand gestures, the highlights. But in reality, what really sets someone apart in most cases is their attention to detail. It's the little things that make all the difference. For example, remembering her favorite coffee order, seeing when she wears a new piece of jewelry, or seeing through her when she puts on that fake smile when something goes wrong. These small actions show that you are observant and attentive, and that you genuinely care about her as a person. This, my friend, is the most attractive thing to a woman. It's like planting a small seed in her mind that will blossom into a positive relationship with you. And the best part, it's not even about trying to manipulate her into thinking about you. When you pay attention to the little things, it reflects who you are as a person and how much you value her. Number 2. Be someone worth missing. When you meet someone who is kind, interesting, and genuinely cares about others, don't you want to spend more time with them? You want to get to know them better, hear their stories, and enjoy their company, right? Now, let's take this a step further. If you are the person who constantly adds value to other people's lives, making them see, hear, and appreciate you, they will miss you when you are not around. It's very simple. They will remember the conversations you had, the moments you shared, and how you made them feel. That's why being someone worth disappearing is such a powerful strategy when it comes to getting a woman to think about you. If you focus on being the kind of person who adds value to her life, she will naturally want to spend more time with you. She will think about you in your absence because she will miss the way you made her feel, the conversations you had, and the laughs you shared. Number 3. Learn the art of being memorable. Being memorable means you make an impression on someone that lasts beyond the initial interaction. It means that you will stand out in their mind and they will remember you long after you have broken up. And when it comes to getting a woman to think about you, being memorable is key. Now, why does forgetfulness work? Well, think about it. Women are approached by many men, especially in social situations. Every time they go out, they can meet someone new. The prettier she is, the more attention she'll get in most cases. So if you want to be the man she thinks about after the night is over, you need to do something to stand out from the crowd. But how do you do it? There are several methods. First, you can be really interesting. Talk to her about something you're passionate about or share a unique perspective on a topic. If you can engage in thoughtful conversation that's different from what she's used to hearing, she'll be more likely to remember you. Another way to be remembered is to be confident and attractive. Women are attracted to men who exude confidence and charm. If you can make her laugh, smile, and feel comfortable around you, she's more likely to remember you as someone she enjoyed spending time with. Finally, you can remember by doing something unexpected or thoughtful. Maybe you offer to buy her a drink, or you show her a cool place in town she's never been to before. Whatever it is, if you do something that grabs her in a positive way, she'll be more likely to remember you as someone different from others. Number 4. Create emotional connections. Making emotional connections is all about finding ways to tap into a woman's emotions and make her feel special when she's around you. It's about creating positive associations and memories where she associates with you and thinks fondly of you. One way to do this is to pay attention to her needs and show genuine interest in what she has to say. When you listen to her and respond with empathy, you create a connection that goes beyond surface-level small talk. You show her that you care about her as a person and that she can trust you with her thoughts and feelings. Another way to create emotional connections is to share meaningful and memorable experiences together. This can be anything from trying a new activity together to sharing a deep conversation over coffee. When you create positive memories with someone, it strengthens your bond and they will think of you in a positive light. Number 5. The power of unpredictability. We are naturally drawn to novelty and excitement. When you're unpredictable, you keep things interesting and keep her on her toes. This can be especially effective when you are trying to build attraction with someone. So, what does unpredictability actually look like in practice? It could be as simple as mixing things up in your conversation with her. Maybe one day you're joking and lighthearted, and the next day you're more serious and self-centered. You can surprise her with a thoughtful gesture like bringing her favorite food or sending her a fun memory. The key is to keep her guessing and avoid falling into predictable patterns. This doesn't mean being inconsistent or inappropriate, but finding ways to make your interactions with her spontaneous and surprising. When you're unpredictable, you become a more exciting and dynamic presence in her life. She'll start waiting to see what you'll do or say next, and she'll be more likely to think about you when you're not around. Number 6. The seduction in shared interests. We all know that we quickly gravitate towards people who share similar interests and hobbies. So if you find out what a woman likes and share that desire honestly, it can create a strong bond between the two. For example, if you both like hiking, you can suggest going on a hike together. This not only gives you the opportunity to spend time with her, but also shows that you share a common interest. The more time you spend doing something you both enjoy, the more she will associate you with that positive experience. The key here is to be authentic. Don't pretend to like something to impress her. For example, if you're not into hiking, it's better to find another shared interest that you both genuinely enjoy. Another benefit of using shared interests as a psychological strategy is that it helps you find common ground and build a deeper connection with her. You'll have more to talk about, and she'll feel like you really get her. So, my advice to you is to do a little digging and find out what a woman is interested in. Maybe she's a fan of a particular TV show or movie, or maybe she's into a certain hobby or sport. Once you know what she likes, see if you share any of those interests. If you do, bring it up in conversation and watch the magic happen. Number 7. The enchantment of emotional vulnerability. When you share your feelings with someone, it shows that you trust and respect them enough to be open and honest. This can create a sense of closeness and connection that is hard to ignore. However, it is important to approach this strategy carefully. You don't want to force your feelings on someone or use them as a way to handle vulnerability. Instead, focus on building an authentic relationship and allowing yourself to be vulnerable when it feels right. One way to do this is to share stories or experiences that have emotional significance for you. For example, you can talk about a time when you felt really scared or overwhelmed, or share something that made you feel particularly happy or grateful. By opening up in this way, you allow the woman to see a different side of you and create a more authentic relationship. This can make her think of you in a more positive and meaningful way, and even create feelings of attraction or interest. Number 8. The captivation of thoughtfulness. Basically, this strategy involves showing genuine concern for the woman you're interested in. It means going beyond just compliments or gifts and really paying attention to her needs and wants. If she mentions that she's stressed out at work, for example, you could offer to take her out for a relaxing evening or send her a care package with her favorite snacks and a note of encouragement. By doing things like this, you are showing her that you care and that you are paying attention to her needs, and when someone feels cared for and appreciated, they are more likely to think about the person who made them feel that way.